Hey, what's going on? It's Rico with No Boring Concrete. We are here finally doing the walkthrough on this Brooksville job that I did. Every person that came out here that I had help me, they're just like, how did you even find this job? So the story behind that is we did some work for the guy who does all the construction work for 7-Elevens and racetrack, gas stations, Dykstra construction. And he had some stuff done, and so this homeowner here was over there. He's like, wow, who did these floors, who did these tops and all this stuff? And so Dykstra was like, hey, let me get you the number, because he's the best at what he does. And so this homeowner reached out to him and he couldn't get a hold of that guy, so he ended up calling me instead, and so now I'm here. So here's the project. Let's see here, take a step back. The overall project: concrete countertops. We have our MBC logo, which is No Boring Concrete version 2.0. And then it's got the live, like a tree bark edge all the way down the side this way, and going down all this way as well. It's about a little under 2.5 inches thick. We had some nice staining variation go throughout there. We had the waterfall edge come down and just drop down there. These tops were stained. These tops were stained as well, and you can just see the variation on that. And this is a frost rail, basically an insert that keeps your drinks cold. So you have beer, wine, whatever you want to set on there, it just keeps it nice and cold. The whole mechanism's down in here that flows through all that. But this was an extensive project, very detailed, a lot of custom finishes here, custom cabinets, big windmill fan. And this is just the pool house. This is just an addition to the house over there. And then they already have like the hot tub over there, the fireplace chill out spot here with some cool vaulted ceilings with the wood in there. So that's pretty neat. So this is just an addition to, and I'm glad I was able to add some value and some decor and design and everything that just fits right in so nicely. So even though these areas right here stayed flat with no texture, we did tie them in so they're just as dark as this edge, as dark as this edge. Visually it all ties in together, but then they had their subtle changes and movements throughout. So we used eco stains on this to create these looks and variations, and then we use XS 327 matte finish. As you can see, the lights right here are beaming down on that. You can just see it glossing off of the metal, but when it comes to the concrete, they're matted down quite a bit. And it allows you to appreciate the concrete that you're seeing and the character that's there, instead of just being blinded by all this reflection from a gloss finish. So we have a lot of character going on, and the homeowners love it. They just love the veining, the shading. You can just, depending on what way you're looking at, you can just see highs and lows and variations throughout. So very excited to be part of this one. Happy for it to be done. And if you have a project anywhere basically in Florida, concrete countertops, floors, decorative staining, metallic epoxy, any of that kind of stuff, feel free to reach out to us, noboringconcrete.com.